Lovely, Gary.
What's happening? You're looking up at the sky though,
That's grand.
Do you want me to pull it down?
No, because when I had it down the last time, all I got was just a picture of my feet the whole time. So now with this, at least like it's going to be, yeah, leaning down like that. So hopefully the science works.
The science. Wait, Tiger, it's there.
Thanks, man. I do friendly discounts. You know, but you just have to know.
What's the at?
Did you say friends and family discounts?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Okay.
You got to support, like, especially. You got to
Exactly. It's a rough time. Yeah.
Thank you. See, you get it.
It's a rough time, you know. Support local.
Exactly. It is a rough time.
Do you take club card?
Man, I'll take fucking whatever you want.
Oh, fair enough.
If it's not in the family, I don't want it.
Keep it in the family genes, you know, the family bloodlines. Keep them going.
Some family trees are trees, some are roundabouts, so happens, right?
Some are thorn bushes.
Exactly. Some have.
Some just have a very abrupt stop as well. And then that's it, it's just gone.
And others are evaporated.
Yeah, some are lost to time.
That's very
Yeah.
Alright, Connor. You care to share?
No. Hey, look, they didn't find the body, so it doesn't bother me.
Remember, nothing's illegal if you don't get caught.
Exactly. As long as you get caught, that's
If you
it.
don't get caught, nothing's illegal.
I like OnlyFans. He's speaking facts.
I only speak facts.
Is that where the big sexy came from? Was the OnlyFans?
No, because I'm just big and sexy.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fair. Yeah, no, that's fair. I should have guessed. Sorry, I should have guessed.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
So rude, Connor.
I know.
How could you not guess that?
I know.
Like, I'm big and sexy.
I know. I'm sorry. It's right there. Like.
Someone from Lou. Alright. Lou's one last game. Alright, what spawn John? So it's respawn 5 or respawn 9?
We're right here.
2.
You want respawn then? Yeah. Alright, can I get blues on my right, reds on my left? Please and thank yous.
Was that a good spawn?
I don't know.
9?
We'll find out. We're gonna find out very soon.
Did we choose the good spawn? Good.
Let's go, Rowan. Welcome, lads. I love you lots. Just want to let you know that before you go over there.
Lovely.
If you see me, maybe just don't shoot the first time.
Shooting first time. Shooting second time.
Operator Big Sexy.
Good boy. I'm not just big, I'm just fat and sexy now. I'm not big anymore, I'm just fat.
Hey, no body shaming in here, all right? We're all beautiful and sexy.
Got that. You know what? I like you.
Exactly. Exactly.
Don't shoot him now.
Yeah.
Next game's gonna be King of the Cabin, alright? This is a timed game, so if you have possession of the cabin, your time starts going, alright? If blues, you're gonna push up here and I'll show you how to gain your time.
Hello.
There's a flag in this window, right? Blues, if your blue flag is up, you are gaining time. If the red flag is up, reds are gaining time, alright? 2 people max in this room at all times, alright? Full field is in play. Full auto is in play, alright? So be careful. Use common sense, alright?
Yeah.
Semi only, shooting in and out of this cabin, alright? Single fire around this cabin, alright? Full auto anywhere else, alright? If you're down where John is there, you can use full auto. If you're down by that tree, you can use full auto. Within this border, alright? Single fire only, alright? Any questions? Nope, all good. Remember guys, you already sat one person out. Do not remove your glasses or you'll be sitting out the next game. Alright?
Quick question. If
Yes.
someone here like shooting somebody far would be free?
If you're shooting down that way,
Yeah, kind of just protecting them.
if it's within this area and you're shooting someone that's beyond here, single fire. If you're shooting down out of the area, full auto. Alright? Just be careful what you're using, alright? Alright, Blues, you're respawning down in 9?
Jesus, Connor.
Sorry.
That fucking wang away from me.
Woo! What's that? That's only 3. Yeah, that's alright. No idea where we're going.
We're going up to respawn 9.
Oh, lovely.
Ronan picked us a shit spawn.
You!
Get out of the way, lads.
Oh, friendly fire's on.
Woo!
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Gary doing a slide tackle last time. We don't know where we're going.
It's full field, right?
Yes.
Yeah, full field.
Just here, lads, yeah?
Yeah, that, like this kind of. You ready now, boys?
Yeah, not even attempting to try to run that. Fuck that. You can't be front of house. Yeah, you see the white poles? You have to go around them, okay? Gary, you good? You alright? Lovely. Watch the left side in the bushes. Left sided, here in the bushes. If you do make a run at him, just watch your left side, alright? Alright, you still there, Adam? Oh, no, he's gone.
Come on, Blue, push up! Get someone in this cabin!
Adam, where are you? Yeah. Watch left here on. Bang bang. I said bang bang. Do we want to do a bang or keep going? Do we want to keep going or?
It's ruined the immersion.
Sorry. Here. We tried it. No, sorry, tried it. Here behind you, Adam. Yeah.
You can do whatever you want. Hey, good job.
Yeah. Here, front of the house. If you can keep a watch going that direction, okay? I'll hold them off here coming into the bushes, and I'll tell you if there's any of them coming.
Semi right here.
Yeah, you just keep an eye, just going looking to my right, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Hit.
Good shot.
They're coming from courtyard. Blue team, watch courtyard.
Come on, red team. Get one over there in the cabin.
Where are you seeing them, Adam? You keep an eye behind, okay? Adam! Yeah, you got him. Shit. Watch courtyard, blue team. They're coming from courtyard. Nice one, Ronan. Nice one. Adam, you just keep an eye on your courtyard side, okay? I see him behind the big tree. Watch courtyard, blue team. Watch courtyard. Are you on our team? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. Watch courtyard, watch courtyard. Yeah, watch big tree direction as well, Adam. Oh yeah, from big tree direction as well.
Hey, dead man.
Yeah, Ronan, from the big tree that direction, okay? Yeah, yeah, there's one on the left side of it, okay? They're pushing up to this structure here as well. One of them is on the fence, one of them in, yeah. Hit! Nice one. That man walking. Oh God, very sweaty. Try to push up closer if you can, alright? Yeah.
Yeah, they're closing in on the cabin, so it maybe.
Yeah. Shit. Where are you seeing them, Jay?
Right at the edge of our
Oh shit, you twist me around.
lads, one of them is out in the field, this way.
Okay. You two keep a look to the left, I'll try to get this guy on the right. Yeah. He's got him distracted. Okay, from the bushes, guys. Hit. Yeah, you see where I got shot from? Oh, God. Whew. Yep. Did you get the guy over here on the bushes on the left? Yeah. Okay, well I see one red guy from front of the house moving over.
Yeah. I think there's one still up at big tree as well.
Okay, hang on a minute. Okay.
Come on, red team, get control of the cabin, get some time on it.
Yeah, but they're going over the big tree, so I'm trying to,
Oh, hit! Nice one.
Come on, Reds, get control of the cabin.
Sorry, crossing. Whew. Oh, what the fuck?
What?
How did he get through?
Yeah, how did he? I mean, like, half our team died.
I mean, I'm pretty sure I shot him, so.
Just look all the way there.
They're coming up to the cabin. Hit. Oh. Sorry, watch yourselves. Yeah. Maybe after making a big push to the cabin. Sorry. What? Oh, hello.
You got a little lost in the bushes, you know?
No, I just glanced to the right with
Yeah, I saw you.
and I couldn't say anything.
Alright, blue team, you have to kind of push up a bit. Oh, Christ. Let's try to do a bit of out here in fields. Ronan! Two of them have just moved up towards cabin. Nice one.
Dead man, dead man.
Nice one, sorry.
I just trying to get out of the ball.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
It was a nice spot, by the way.
Hit. Nice one. Dead man walking. Whew.
Final minute! Last minute remaining!
Oh. Well, I hope you... Oh, there we go. I was about to say I hope I caught some footage. Oh. Now. Woo! Okay, so that was game 2 because we were late to game 1 because Jamie forgot his vest. Now, I am pooped.